This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your controller update failed on your Xbox Series X. So this says there was a problem updating your controller. Now what you could do is try holding down the Xbox button right here and then turning off the controller. So let's hold this down for about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, after 5 seconds, my controller went ahead and shut off. Now I can press the Xbox button once again. And I can go to where it says update required. Now make sure your controller is on a flat surface when you're updating. So put it down on like a table or something like that, or a countertop, and then just don't move it whatsoever. And you can go to update required now. It should say try again or update required. Now if that still doesn't work, what you want to do is turn off your controller, turn it back on, and then this time we're going to connect it with a USB cable. So you probably got something that came with your controller. Just plug in the USB to the front of the controller and then go on over to the Xbox. So you can see my little Xbox over here just hiding in the corner. And we can plug the USB cable in to the front of the Xbox. And then the same thing. We want to put the controller on a flat surface, so maybe just on top of the Xbox right here because I don't have a lot of counter space. And then on the screen, I'm going to go to update required, and my controller should continue to update. Now it says before we start, we're about to start your update. Keep it near, don't move it during the update, and keep any attached devices connected to your controller. Make sure that the USB cable is firmly plugged in. So let's go to continue. And my controller is now updating. So hopefully this time it doesn't fail. Now you can see it went pretty quick. It's already at 100%. Before, when I was wirelessly doing it, it probably took like 30 seconds just to get to like 5%. So it goes a lot quicker when you have the USB cable connected, and it looks like it's successful. We can go to next, and there's my controller. Timmy is good to go, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.